Guys, welcome back to the vlog, man. It's K510 Automotive Group. We back with another video, man. Today we got a video that we need to make because after doing my valve cover, I'm still having a vacuum leak. So I kind of traced it to this thing, this charge pipe. It looks all wet, like oil is getting in there. So I ordered aluminum charge pipe that we're going to be installing this video. It's aluminum. This one over here is plastic. It's a plastic charge pipe. So it's an aftermarket style thing. So we'll see, man, how it goes. So that's what this video is going to be about. So I'm gonna show you guys what we got. We got the clamps for it. We got the intercooler piping, what they call these things, I don't even know, couplers, I guess. And then got the gasket for the throttle body and a new pin. So it's my first time doing this. I figured with these cars, man, everything comes from the factory plastic, so now I'm just trying to upgrade everything to aluminum. You know, now that it's getting over 100,000 miles, everything is starting to crack and dry rot. So yeah, that's what we about to get into in this video, man. So stay tuned, man. We about to remove the old plastic pipe, charge pipe, and then install this new aluminum one and see how it works. So just got this vacuum line off of the charge pipe. So now I gotta loosen up these clamps here, and I gotta remove this mount. It has like a support mount right here. It's not even connected the whole time. Look at this thing, it's broken. Motherfucker. So we're gonna pull off this clip right here. It's a clip on that. Damn, I'm blinding the camera. So there's a clip right here that you gotta pull off. And, got this vacuum connection off. And now I gotta remove this mount, this bracket. I should remove the whole bracket, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that though. Yeah, I might have to move the whole bracket. I think that one is a little bigger. Let me see. This is what it's supposed to look like. Just go right here. Sitting right there. But yeah, this is way bigger. It's gonna be letting in more air. Hope it don't cause a check engine light. But whatever, man. That's what we about to do now, man. Let's get started. All right, guys. Lift this camera up a little higher. Oh, that's a good angle. Well, anyways. Alright, guys, so we got the my flashlight. Okay, it's my headlight. So we got the charge pipe out. But look at this, man. I don't know if you can see it. Ooh, it's like a lot of oil inside of here. Damn, boy. I don't know what's going on with this car, man. I know it's probably blow by from the turbo and stuff, but I don't know if it was cracked. I'm not sure what caused this leak. If you guys know what caused these type of leaks, leave a comment, man. It's just crazy, man. I don't see any cracks inside here. So I don't know if this is gonna fix my vacuum leak. You know. But yes, we got the old one out. Now we're gonna compare them. You can compare the two right now. Probably a bad angle, bro. Bad angle. Alright. Probably better. Yeah, this is way better right here. But yeah, man, so we got the both charge pipes out. Looks like they should work. the sensor is on the opposite side. So I don't know. It got enough wiring for the sensor to move, but it's not the exact same. But this is factory, this is aftermarket. So I'm gonna install this one. And oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys too. I guess I have to delete this bracket that holds it mounts onto the charge pipe like this, because I think this will be in the way for the new pipe. This is skinny. This is a skinny pipe. This new one is pretty wide too, so it's like a big difference. So I don't know if it's gonna be more power. I don't know what the benefits are to this yet. And I probably should have did my research before replacing it, but all right, man, let's just get it done. All right, guys, so let me put this thing up higher, man. I need to get me a camera, man. Straight up. I'm tripping. All right, guys, so we got everything transferred over. We got the charge pipe sensor, we got the clip, got the O-ring, and we got the coupler that's gonna mount onto the intercooler piping right here. That's just gonna go right on there, this new coupler. So I think we're looking good, man. I think we're gonna, hopefully everything goes smooth. Let me see how this works, man. I can't really see any leaks in this one, but with all that oil pissing out of it, man, I wouldn't be surprised that it has some crack in it, like a hairline crack that I can't see, but I don't know. Or it could have just been the seal that was bad that's caused a leak. I don't know. But anyways, we had to get rid of this shit anyways, man. So brittle. Yeah, man, this done seen the best days. Its best days already. So now we about to install the new charge pipe, and I'll let y'all see that once we get that put in. Alright, guys. Let me get my flashlight, not the headlight. Alright, guys, so we got the charge pipe in. The upper clamp was a pain in the ass to do, man. Not gonna lie, that was pretty hard to do, but we got it in. The sensor's connected, vacuum connection is in. And I did run this bolt down a little bit so it's flush inside. And we got a coupler and clamps on. Sorry. So everything's in. Got the aluminum charge pipe in. And here's the old one. You know, see, got a lot of, I don't know if this could be blow by from the seal. Like, I don't know what it was, but this thing is plastic anyway, so I don't know how long you would expect it to last. So, but yeah, man, I'm not gonna start it up now. I want to do an oil change on it, so we probably pick up this video up tomorrow. I'm gonna change my oil, cause I don't know, I've been trying to get an X5 some love, man, cause I don't know, this is like my newest car I got, you know. Not year wise, but like I bought, no, actually no, this ain't my newest car. Yeah, matter of fact it is. I guess, yeah, me personally, yeah, it is my newest car, 2012. I ain't into new cars like that anyway, so, but yeah, once I make it big on YouTube, I'm gonna give me a Dodge Viper, man. It's gonna be a 2002 ACR Viper, you know, so still ain't gonna have no new shit, you know, but you know, it's gonna be fun. So I see y'all tomorrow, man. Alright, guys, welcome back to the vlog, man. It's the next day, and today, man, we're gonna get this oil change done on the X5, man. So we got 5W40. Normally takes like 7.5 quarts, so it's got 10 quarts. And we got this, the Walmart special. It's oil filter right here. So yeah, man, I'm about to jack this car up and just do the oil filter. Do the oil change real quick. And right now you hear my motorcycle running. I finally got this thing out the garage. It's been a minute since I drove it or anything. It's almost riding season. Can't wait to be riding this thing this summer, man. Yeah, we still got the other cars too, man. E36. Yep. That's what we're working on, man. So let's get the X5 back on the road. So I can start on some other projects, man. Alright, we're about to get started with that oil change right now, man. Now we got the oil filter tool. We're just gonna crack that loose. I normally just crack it open. I don't pull it all the way out till I'm draining the drain plug. So we'll crack it open for now. Now we're gonna jack it up, get underneath the car. Alright, so now we're about to drain it. Jacked it up a little bit and get under there. It's a 17 socket too. If you got 17, you can pour the drain, guys. So now I normally pour the filter up. Once I have the whole cap came off. I need to buy me a new cap too. There you go. That ain't go good. What the fuck just happened? Damn. Cut. About to do the first start up. We got everything installed. Got new oil inside. Motor. We'll do our first start. Actually, I want to scan. My bad, I got the camera all in my face. Kind of want to scan my codes and show y'all what code I had. try to move these cars out the driveway. Oh, jeez. Oh, I wonder if I got this key on me. Oh yeah, I got it. Put it on me. Oh. I just want to show y'all the codes. I forgot last video to show y'all what codes I had in here. I'm gonna clear them. I just hope this intake, this charge pipe doesn't give me any vacuum leaks. That's what I'm trying to fix, the vacuum leak. Alright, let's go to diagnostics. BMW. Anyway, this thing taking a little bit of time. Yeah, man, if you haven't already, man, like and subscribe to the channel, man. I've been dropping a lot more videos more frequently, so stay tuned for new content, man. Especially when it get warm outside, I'm gonna be on the bike, be pulling up to car meets. And I got a car for like every crowd, so that was like my goal, to have like a collection. I could just pull up to any, you know, car event. And this, you know, fit in, you know. But yeah, we almost done scanning the system. Oh no, it's still on establish communication. Alright, so let's see. Let's go to the engine. I need to see the whole thing. Codes. See, this is the code it's been haunting me. Alright, so look like the check engine light didn't come back right away. Let me check my oil level. So the oil level is good. Now I don't know if y'all know how to I need some washer fluid. If y'all know how to reset your oil thing, normally hold that B and then this at the same time. Then you see that? Then they'll hold on that. I think I could. Oh shit! I messed it up. So you're supposed to hold the B, C button and the odometer button, and it should bring up your services. And I think you click with this to reset them. So reset my oil. Well, actually no, I'm not gonna reset it. That should say 1025. What? 1025. That should weigh. Brakes. I already know I did my brakes already, so you just go through and reset all your malfunctions. But not malfunctions, like your service intervals. Reset 30. I won't reset that. I reset this though. Brake fluid flush. So I already did mine. And I think my I think that's everything I need to reset for now. Let's see. So you can always check on here too to see what service requires. So everything back in the green. I probably should reset the oil. Even though it says good, it's probably gonna Give me a chime at 1,700 miles. I don't even drive this car like that, so it probably won't even matter. Oh, check engine light is back. Yup. We're gonna get the scanner and see what code we got now, man. This thing's gonna be a pain in the ass to get rid of, man. Alright, guys, so the code came right back. If you guys know what this code is for, man, please let me know in the comments. I'm burnt though. I done changed the valve cover, the inlet charge pipe, vacuum solenoid, sensors. I don't know. But yeah, peace, man. See you on the next vlog.